This is the wireless headphone. Unboxing. Package includes a travel pouch, user manual, Bluetooth headphones, AUX cable, and charging USB cable. So the top left button is on off, and power on off, pause, play. Then we have the volume control, skip reverse, mode phone, mode answer and hang up. Here we have the AUX cable, which connects to stereo, PC, etc. Then we have the USB port, which connects USB cable to charge. This is the TF card slot, supports TF micro SD card. The headphones is expandable, so it expands for comfort. Here's the NFC and FM, so it makes pairing faster, and radio music. Here the unit rotates, so it rotates for comfort. Here I'm going to quickly go through the pairing process. And so the pair ID is VEENAX HS3. Here I'm performing an audio test of the headphones. Lastly, I'm just showing how to use the device. So here you could just expand it to your comfort. Make sure it's secure around your ears. You can move the top if you want to. As you can tell, it's not too tight. The headphones are extremely comfortable, buttons press down easily, audio is balanced. The unit folds for easy storage. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.